today, me and little man right here are heading to the shop right now. We have to go rearrange some things. We have to go get the LeBaron pushed inside because we are actually having problems with that random dude that showed up in yesterday's video. He's been snooping around the shop. We've caught him on the camera a few times, and he's just kind of been showing up randomly, and that's going to be an issue. So we have to go get everything rearranged so we can get the LeBaron pushed inside, because that will make me feel a lot safer than having it sit outside. So with that being said, me and little man, we'll see you guys at the shop in a minute. Hell yeah, dude. Okay, we'll see you in a minute. Okay, update. Made a pit stop at the gas station to grab some drinks for me and the kiddo, and now we're going to the shop. So see you there. Okay, we made it to the shop. Oh, look, there's my baby sitting out here getting all dirty. Oh, look at all the bird shit on it. Oh, God. I hate government spy drones. They're freaking lame. Birds are government spy drones. We all know this. What? Okay. Get this bitch open. So basically, we gotta move all, not all of it. We gotta get the roll cage behind the car, which means we're gonna move all this shit. It's gonna be a damn project. And then, yeah, so we gotta move that back there so we can get the Impala pushed forward as much as we can. And then get all of this shit moved to this side so we can do, Jesus Christ, I cannot talk today. So we can put the LeBaron in here and get it away from that kid. As I was saying before, the kid has showed up a few times randomly, and he's been knocking on the door, bugging Brock. He's been kind of walking around the car in the shop. And yeah, we have it fully surveillance and all this stuff, so it's not too big of a deal. But we're just going to eliminate the risk and not take a chance and just get my baby inside. So I'll probably set you up on a time lapse here. I'm going to go see if Brock is awake yet, and then go from there. Y'all. What?
Why did you not put the mini fridge right here?
Because that's the door, guy.
Or why did you not put the mini fridge right here?
Because that's outside. We want it inside of the shop, dude.
Yep.
Yep. What are we doing?
Waking Brock up.
Waking Brock up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if Brock's up. Anyways, I'm gonna go see if I can wake up Brock, and then, yeah, I'll probably set this up on a time lapse, and we'll get all this shit moved and get everything done, and then go home and hang out with family because it's 4th of July, and we're gonna barbecue and shit or do something. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling. Okay, got everything moved and situated. I gotta grab the damn keys for the little bearing so we can push this bitch in. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Okay. Little bearing. Push this fucking heavy bitch.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I don't have a lot of steering. Push, Caston. Push hard. No steering. I'm pushing with my foot. Okay.
You're doing it. Oh, a little more. Got about another 4 inches.
Oh God. Hold on. Check the front. I'm close. Or I feel like I'm close.
Yeah, we can go 4 inches, a couple more inches.
Okay.
That's all we need.
Let me, I think we're straight enough. Okay. Oh, that's it. They're touching. Look at them making love. Old school on old school crime.
Go around the front.
Don't spill it.
Slide it under.
Here, bud. There you go.
There you go.
Here, Caston. Take that rag, because you're little and can get under the car easier.
Yep.
Take that rag, child slave labor. Get under in there and put it on that wet spot. Kind of wipe it up a little bit. There you go. Good job. Thanks, bud.
Yep.
Sick.
Drinking me.
Cool. Well, that's it. Everything's in the shop. Shut this bitch up and go home to the family. Shut her down. Bye, beautiful. I'll miss you. I'm going to order your parts. I'll be back for you. I'll be back. Okay, Gaston, you ready? Let's load up. All right, bud. We'll see ya. We are out of here. Gaston, tell them peace out. Thanks for watching.
Peace out. Thank you.
And tell them hit that subscribe button.
Hit that subscribe button.
Hell yeah. Okay, we're out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.